mate.
Away we go, and second on the grid there, I think it's got the jump. It's going to be Phil Atkinson. Not surprised, that man has made that stuff. Yeah, it's an Alpine Stars suit, so that should be a GPS system, and they're normally extremely reliable.
And yeah, I think they're
sorry, they're bad.
Side, but just managing to hold on to it is Matt Hardy. They're still side by side as they head towards Williams, but Matt Hardy will lead the way.
See, the thing is, this is where you can see.
Not very good when it goes off like that. Very strange indeed. I thought his dad was going to be racing this year too. They actually came to the sports bike shop where I work, and they're having a chat with us. And yeah, mate, who's that lead? That's Maximus at the front.
Yeah.
There's Atkinson working. Yeah, fast, very close to the time. They got off the line, very much throw away. Or not take the sight to the but the hard one is still dropping down. That's four ways as well. And I'll tell you what, the wind dropped a little bit, but it's still pretty strong, so that toe is going to
Mate, this is the number 60 of Leonard Doxey.
So Miller was the only man at one place that time. It was Matt going back in by second place. Unfortunately, not quite sure what happened to Ben that time. When actually a great place to go. Also makes on a place off the shoulders there for that third place overall. Their first one there at high. Jump start there as well, so that's going to work something down before that. The other side they're worried about the rider, I think the rider is actually no more progress for him in this particular race, but it'll give a very good grid position because actually he's in the 218s there, and the 218s is only a handful of people who've matched us. He should be in the first couple of rows next time out, but over the line they come then, and once again is that little Max leading the way. It is still tucked in tight, and I tell you what, behind Max is not thinking that in a hard time. They could work minor places a long way back. We are, but they're moving up a couple of places. Bella may get another three, which is on the radio. A lot of pressure all the way too, and he's really resisting it nicely. Just a fraction. Thanks, buddy. James Muir, good lap for him. He's moved up 2 places. Bella moved half on the championship leader there. Still a Bella, so that's a great ride. The breakaway three at the moment. Ben Gulliver ready to be Penny Peters, and then he works the top of his way off this final. One side, people don't wind down just on the end to that right hander on it. I think we'll see who that is and we say. But long right hander on Corrin to the final time before flicking it left into side by side. I see Atkinson looking across. Oh boy, that's very close.